Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for creating folders from TXT file. You see on my computer I have a TXT file. I can open it just to show you what is inside. And inside we have just one column. First is like state name. It's just a name of the column. And then we have name of the states in US. So I'm going to use this text file and create folder in some of my inside of my documents folder with each name of the file, which name of the state. So the result will be we will have a folder with all states in it, and I will be using into my documents. Let's go to documents. I'll be using out folder, this one, and you can see it's empty. But I will when application when I will run application, it will create folders into this file. So in order to download application, I'll go to my website. This is my website. I'll click on search and type folder, and it will show me all application for folders creation. And I will click on this create folder from list, and we'll scroll down to create folders from text and click on download to start downloading those. I'll be recording more videos on application that creates folders from different files, Excel, CSV. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I will wait until archive will be downloaded to my local computer. And we'll click on downloaded archive to open it, and double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And now I can close everything and just go to my desktop. You can see I have a new shortcut on my desktop. So just minimize this. I will double click on the shortcut to launch app. Now, creation folder is 3 steps process. In step 1, we'll have to select our text file. So I'll click to select input files, navigate to state names, and click on next step. Here I have to select which column should I use. I have just one column state name in my file. Sometimes text files can have a different information, like additional information. So if you want to create folders only from one column, we will select it here. And just click on next step. On final step, I can preview what my application will do. So I'll click on preview button, and it's asking me in which folders I'm gonna create what will be a root folder for my folders that will be for new folders that will be created. I have in my documents I have an out folder, right? So I'll scroll down here and to STO. I'm sure I have a lot of folders. Here it is, out. So select, click OK, and it will tell me that following folders will be created into out. And you can see it has all folders will be there. And this folder is empty. So now to run it, we'll just save result. And you can see it's saying that this folder has been created, this folder. If you have any problems folder creation, it will display it here. But right now we'll see all folders are created, and now we have 50 folders in our out file. Yeah. So we created folders from text file. Basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.